The Google Comment Bank. I can use the comment bank to store specific and developmentally appropriate content focused tips. I can use the comment bank to efficiently provide specific and developmentally appropriate content focused tips when assessing student work. So, this process begins with adding to the comment bank. So, the first step is to open a student assignment that you've posted in Google Classroom. And I've only utilized the comment bank in Google Documents or Google Slideshows, but so it needs to be a Google Suite product. Step two is on the right side of the screen, you'll see a speech bubble. You'll want to click on the speech bubble and then the comment bank will open. And as you can see, there's a space where it simply states add to comment bank. Step three, once the comment bank is opened, add comments to the comment bank that can be used immediately or they'll be saved and you can use them in the future. So let me give you an example. I have student work from a previous school year, and something that I noticed in the student work is numerous students were having trouble with the word your, your, apostrophe re. So I'm going to add a comment to the bank that has to do with the spelling of the words your. And I can simply add the comment, spelling, self-correct spelling of the word your, you apostrophe re equals your is possessive. I can add this to the comment bank and now it's there. And at any point in time, if I would like to utilize this comment, I can. So now that I have shared with you the process of storing comments within the comment bank, the next step is how do you utilize these comments? And so this particular student in their paper, something I noticed is they did a great job including relevant specific textual evidence to support their argument. However, this particular student did not use in-text citation. So I'll highlight the text that I would like to comment on, and then I can start typing the comment. And what will happen is numerous options will pop up, and I can look at my options and figure out which one is the comment I would like to use. So in-text citations are required when using a direct quote. Watch the video and self-correct. And so I'm going to use this comment. And as you can see now, when the student looks at their work, they'll see this comment. And if they understand immediately the process for adding in-text citations, then everything's fine and they can problem solve immediately. If they are slightly confused, then they have a link to my YouTube video that addresses in-text citations. So they can watch the video in its entirety, and the hope is that the video will provide the guidance needed to self-correct in-text citations within their own essay. If there's still confusion on the student's part, then their next step is to seek out a little extra guidance from the classroom team. And so, because I have used slideshows and created instructional slideshows, turned them into YouTube videos, I have a plethora of videos that are focused on specific grammar skills or essay components so that students can potentially watch the video and work through process independently. Now, I will return to the slideshow. And the beauty of the comment bank is not only can you store specific and developmentally appropriate content focused tips, it's efficient to utilize those comments when assessing student work. So the Google Comment Bank. I can use the comment bank to store specific and developmentally appropriate content focused tips. In addition, I can use the comment bank to efficiently provide specific and developmentally appropriate content focused tips.